You can also publish a video of the story on YouTube. This can help you promote the book. You can do it in two different ways. One is to take the images and make a video, or you can use Phygital video creation tools to make it more dynamic. Let's see how to create both. Starting with the images only. Go to Canva and start a video project. You can make it as a short vertical video or a long horizontal one. For YouTube, remember that you can't add links in the description of shorts, so if you want to sell the book, it's better to make a long horizontal video, even if it's short in length. You can also make a vertical short video and, instead of finishing the story, add a button that links to the full video. That way, you'll have both short and long versions. Start with the long video. Add all the images to the project. If you want to make the images move, click on Animate. If the image is full page, right-click it and choose Detach from Background. Then you'll see animation options in the top menu. Click it. Most animations are for entering or exiting the image, but if you scroll down, you'll find Photo Zoom or Photo Up and Down, which adds movement to the image. You can adjust the duration and choose whether the animation plays at the start, end, or both. You can also use the animation option to create something more interesting. For example, let's make the bunny jump. First, detach the bunny so you can move it separately. Click the image, then click Edit. In Canva's AI tools, select Magic Grab. If the character is clear, Canva will detect it. Click to grab it, then click Done. This separates the bunny from the background and fills in the empty area automatically. Next, move the bunny to the starting point, click on Animate, and choose Freestyle Animation. Draw the bunny's movement path. You can also adjust the speed or add extra animation effects using the options on the left. Now your bunny is moving. After you finish animating the story, you need narration. You can use AI for this. Phygital Plus also has a tool for making voiceovers, but I found it doesn't work very well, so I prefer other options. For this example, use Canva's free AI voice, or record yourself telling the story and upload the voiceover to Canva. Click on the AI voiceover tool, which you can find on the side panel. Canva doesn't have many voice options, and most of them sound very AI-like, so you can use another AI voice tool if you prefer. Choose the narrator, add the text of the first sentence in the box, and click Generate. Add it to the correct image in the story. Then take the next line of text and do the same until you have the whole story lined up. You can add some music if you want to make it smoother. Watch the video in the description to see how to solve copyright claims for music you got from Canva. You can also use music from other sources if it's easier. If you want free music and don't have Canva Pro, the safest option is to use one from the YouTube library. They don't cause copyright problems. After adding the music, make sure it's not too loud so the kids can clearly hear the story. Before downloading the video, you can add one more thing to help sell more books. On the last page of the video, add the book cover and a QR code that links to your book on Amazon. To get the QR code, go to Amazon and find your book. Copy the URL, then go back to Canva. Click on Apps, type QR, and it will show a list of tools to make QR codes. Choose the one you like. I use the simplest one. Paste the URL into the box, then click Generate. Add a page at the end of your video and place the QR code there. Add text that says something like, "Go buy this book now on Amazon." To make it look nicer, you can also add the book cover to that page. If you have a monetized channel, you can add the book link in the end screen and during the video. I will add a video showing exactly how to do that. You can also write the book title so people can search for it easily. If you want to make it more promotional, you can add a short narration telling kids that they can get the book with bonuses like coloring pages and the memory game, if you included them in the book, of course. You can also place the QR code, book title, and a call to action during the video if you prefer. Now download the video. If you want to use your credits in Phygital Plus and create the video itself, not just with the images from the book, go to Phygital Plus. On the left side, find the video tool you want to use, then connect the image to the video. You can also use images from your computer by dragging them into the main canvas if you didn't save the project before. Connect the orange dots. It's also a good idea to tell the AI video creation tool what you want the image to do, what kind of movement or expression you want, whether it's something moving or the bunny changing its facial expression. Ask the chat for help if you're not sure what's possible. After that, Download all the videos you created and upload them to Canva. Follow the same process of adding the voiceover, music, and the QR code that links to the book page on Amazon, and you'll have another version of the video. If you want to create both short and long videos, after you finish the full horizontal video, click Resize Project and choose the vertical format. Make sure the main character stays in the frame on each page and that the animation is in the right position. When you upload the short videos to YouTube, do it after uploading the long video and connect the two by selecting the related video during the upload process. Remember to add the link to the book on Amazon. Now you have a promotion for your book. You can also use the vertical video on other platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Click on this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.